Alright, so as I said, video 2 here. We're going to get the forehand, a little more power. I'm going to go ahead and throw the pred. Give you that one first so you can see the difference in the two when I put a little more, probably about 75-80% power into these. I'm going to try and release them flat, let you see the turnover, the stand up. You are going to notice, you know, with the sharp edge of this disc here and the roughness down here, this thing does cut the air pretty fast. This is pretty slow. Here we go. You can see right out of your hand at about 75, 80. On a flat line, the pred wants to come up, wants to turn left, and then as soon as it gets up in the air on that left, it just wants to crank back hard right. We'll try and get the same line with the amazing feeling test flights here. You can see in that one there just coming out, I mean, it doesn't buckle, so there's no turnover. The slower speed of this doesn't want to turn it as fast as like a high-speed pred, something along those lines would. But you can see that it just kind of went flat the whole way, and at that end, boom, it just starts cutting hard. Give you another one. So I kind of gave that one a little bit of a more true hyzer line. I still pushed it off out of my hand on the same line as the first two, but you can see that I gave it just a hair, a bit of hyzer there, and right out of my hand it just kept moving left pretty quick for that, you know, small rim fairway driver feel. You know, that's probably, I'd say 320-ish, maybe 330. And again, not putting a lot of power into these, so, you know, imagine you break them in, start cranking on them real hard. You could probably push them out four and some change if you really needed to, but I really think it's going to be the perfect overstable control driver right in that range. So I highly recommend you guys go pick one up. Thanks for watching the video. As always, Team Discraft, Discraft Underground, Team Iron Line. Thank you. All right, everyone. One more video I want to get out real quick on this new test flight. Haven't done this yet, so this is going to be interesting. Got a Z-Lite Nuke OS here. I'm going to get this thing out on a thumber line. This is my go-to for thumbers, going up and over the top. Gets pretty far pretty fast. This thing feels amazing. I used to use like Z Flicks. I've thrown your Preds. I mean, any OS you can get, it's pretty much guaranteed. So we're going to see what this thing flies like before the sun goes down here on a thumber line. We'll start with the Nuke OS. You can see, real soft throw there, but you can see that just immediately wants to come out, flip, ride, spike. I prefer to throw my thumbers like that. That way I can get more travel in the straight direction and more spike versus that hard left to right movement. You can angle the disc a little more and get some of that. Let's see what these things do. Well, can't tell from here, but I'm going to say that's probably within 10 feet of that OS there. Same exact throw, same power. Feeling pretty good. My money says them are all parked right on top of each other. I'll get a picture for you. This thing is going to be an amazing disc. I cannot wait for them to start producing this in some of that fancy new ESP that I love. Get some of these out so that everybody can get their hands on them, because I promise you guys are going to love them. So thanks to my sponsors, Discraft, Discraft Underground, and Team Iron Line. Get out there and throw, guys.